lye solution first. Okay, always lye to ice. Okay, this is aloe vera. So it's in our temperature range that we like to soak with. We get light blue, okay, so we're all good. A bit more here, combine the two. Create some texture, okay, so let's see the height. What we're doing today, we're gonna make some soap, but with a new recipe, or in the description about this new recipe. Basically, I add canola oil to it. It's based on the 160, palm 160 recipe, but I just changed some part to the canola oil. Basically, I have measured out everything already. Okay, so we just have to make soap. The reason why I haven't wear any glove because we haven't measured lye yet. That's the only ingredient that we haven't got so far. Let me move this out of the way first. Now also, I'm gonna color this with indigo. This is 100 grams, I think, from memory, of distilled water to half a teaspoon of indigo powder. We're gonna use that to make a ombre, a new coloring pattern, the way you pour and all that stuff. So I'll try this today as well. So fingers crossed, we're gonna hopefully work out. Let's measure our lye and we mix it into our aloe vera ice, okay? So it's gelling, okay? So it's all good. I've measured up everything already. Just the lye I haven't measured up, okay? Wear my glove and glass, okay? Before I measure lye. Very important. Safety-wise, you never can lapse on it, yeah? You have to be very careful. Respect lye. Make soap or not, doesn't matter, but when it comes to lye, full respect, okay? Also in this recipe, if you see my previous video, I also add in this special ingredient, citric acid, but I mix it in with water already, so we add this in oil as well. Kaolin Clay and sodium lactate, okay? We got everything. Now we just have to mix, okay? Now let me measure my lye first. Got a note here. We need 123, and I have super fat this to 4%. Super fat. So we need 123. So a bit close to this straight away. Everything measure up. Now you have to make soap. Okay. Just mix into our lye solution first. Okay, always lye to ice. Okay, this is aloe vera gel, but I have iced it already. Okay, since we do that, we're going to multitask as well. Slowly pour it in. Okay, so we're going to melt this hard fat in the microwave for 90 seconds. Slowly, okay, 38, okay, 39, so it's going up really fast. The only way you can cool this down is put this into a water bath, but it's all right, yeah, it's not going up too fast. Soap making is very simple if you follow the process. So let this one 42. Okay, so it's in our temperature range that we like to soak with. 43, 44. Okay, it's getting up there. Okay, I will add in the sodium lactate when it's cooled down a little bit. So I'll leave this now on the side. Make sure nobody touch it. Put the lid back on. Okay, leave it aside. Make sure nobody touch it. Okay. Now we're gonna mix all our oil in here. Okay, let's check the temperature. This one 52. This one 22 room temperature. Okay. When we mix that all two together, it should come down to the right temperature for us. Okay. So just go in. So I'm making only around the 2-pound batch. One done. Soft fat go in as well. There's a little bit of the hard fat in the hasn't melted yet, so we just melt that as well. Okay, let's check the temperature. 44 degrees. Okay. Now we add in the Kaolin Clay. Kaolin Clay, add it in as well. Also, we add in citric acid into the oil, okay? Into the oil. So it's very clear. Okay, okay, citric acid solution, okay? And we're gonna use the okay, that's done. Now we're gonna use the stick blender to mix everything in. So in here so far we have Kaolin Clay and citric acid solution mixed with all our oil, okay? So the temperature was 43 or 44 degrees. People just want to melt together. Doesn't matter, okay? When we mix in the lye solution, everything should go together. So mix it in first, thoroughly. $34, okay? 34. Our lye solution, 35. So we are close, okay? So let me get this strainer. Okay, we're gonna drain it. We have to add in the sodium lactate. Really forget about that, okay? This is when we make soap. So, done this round like 10 times already using the aloe vera, but never lapse, okay? Never take your concentration off fully, okay? So when you make soap, switch on, please. Okay, that's done. Make sure you toss it away. Drain this straight away. Okay, check our temperature now. 37, okay, which is perfect. Let me stick blend this a little bit, because we have the citric acid and the lye go into the oil. Okay, the white clumpy stuff has gone. Okay, I'll blend a little bit more, so we have emulsion already. Yeah, we have emulsion. I'll blend just a little bit more and have to split this up, okay, to make our ombre color. Okay, that will do me. Now I have light trace, okay. Yeah, light trace. Better have a move on. I'm going to split this into half, okay. Switch hand, guys, sorry. Move it out. Gonna mix in our colourant. Hopefully you can get see alright. We see alright. We see finger crossed. Okay, we mix in our colourant. This is indigo powder. Okay, put in here. Hold on. Get light blue, okay, so we're all good. Okay, not good enough for me. Get our mold ready. Okay. First time I try this, okay, finger crossed. Okay, pour this in first. Still trace very fast. Okay, a bit more here. Combine the two. So basically I slowly combine this. So from light to blue. So that's the whole idea. Getting messier. Part of fun. Make sure you wear gloves, safety gear on, and have fun. Yeah. That's the whole, you know, making soap is all about. Okay, let me move fast here, guys. Last batch here, pour everything in, which we are at heavy trace. Rice Bran Oil, oh, not an easy ingredient to work with, but hey, it's cheap. the mountain that we made, similar to this side. Create some texture. Okay, so let's see the height. A bit too high there. Smooth it out a little bit. Yeah, time to play with, okay? So you don't have to rush this stuff until you like it or not. Okay, I think that's pretty good there. Let me clean up a little bit. Now I'm going to gel this as well. So I'll put it in esky, wrap it up. Oh, no! Hey, look at that. Ruined my batch. Oh no! That's alright. We're still here. Nothing damage done, no damage done. Ta-da! That's it, guys. Gel this, leave it for 48 hours, then I'll probably cut it around that time. My name is Chef Chow. If you're new to soap making, frustrated with all the videos out there, come and see my channel. Share it around. Soap making is a life skill. Let's do this together.